Assembly News 11 June 2026 National News ISRO prepares for next lunar mission test. Indian digital payments continue to grow. Monsoon research more parts of India. International news. World leader discuss climate action. New advance in artificial intelligence announced. Sports news. Indian athletes shine in international events. Cricket servings excitement continues. Science education. School encouraged to adopt green practice. Students gain access to more details learning research. The thought of the day. Success is not final failure. Is not fatal. It is the courage to the that context. Winston Churchill. Today is history. On 11 June 1964, Indian freedom fighter and politician Lal Bahadur Shastri became the Prime Minister of India. Assembly calls closing line. Let us begin this day with discipline, positive, and a pride of learning. Thank you.